Guys, and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today in this video I am going to show you how can you fix login error of Discord. Now, have you ever wondered why aren't you logging on a Discord, or there is a problem while signing in your Discord account? There could be a few things that cause this problem. So in this video I will show you the possible solution to fix your login error. So first of all, an outdated version of the app might be cause of the login error. So go to App Store or Play Store on your device and search the app. Now see if there is the option of update available. If there is the option of update available, simply click on update and update it. Now if this fixes the problem, that's great. If it doesn't, don't worry, I have another solution for you. Simply open settings on your device and search for the app list, or simply click on the search icon and search app. Click on it. Now simply scroll and search the Discord app on your app settings. Now there you will see the various options like notification, permission, app timer, etc. Scroll down until you see the option of storage. Simply click on storage. Now there you will see various options like app, data, cache, total, etc. Simply click on clear cache to clear the cache. Now if that fixes the problem, that's very great. Now open the app on your device, and if it fixes the problem, that is very great. And if it doesn't, then I have another solution for you too. Simply uninstall the Discord app which is on a device and simply reinstall by opening App Store or Play Store on a device. So by reinstalling the app, it will help you to get signed in on a Discord account, and it will help to fix the login error which is happening on a Discord account. So thank you for watching our videos. I hope there was the solution for your problem on this video. Thank you for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.